Hey guys, feeling like your week's about to explode with all the stuff you gotta do? No worries, I got you. Let ChatGPT help you plan it out, step by step. You don't need some fancy planner or a new app. Just pop open ChatGPT and type something like, "Help me plan my week based on these tasks." Easy, right? For example, say you've got a project due Friday, 3 meetings, and want to hit the gym 3 times. ChatGPT will whip up a simple weekly schedule for you, balancing work, workouts, and chill time. Want it broken down into time blocks? Just ask, can you make a Monday to Sunday calendar with times? Need a little push? Say, add daily goals to keep me motivated. Don't just let your week happen. Take control and design it. Let ChatGPT turn your chaos into some sweet clarity. So yeah, prompt your way to productivity. Smart Tech Simplified.